Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this beautiful Triumph Adventurer. Here we have a Triumph Adventurer 900. This is a 1996 bike on an end plate with just 18,812 miles and is in great condition for year and mileage. This bike looks absolutely fantastic in the purple and white colour scheme. It is of course related to the Thunderbird 900. The Adventurer a little bit rarer than the Thunderbird, not sold in as greater numbers. As you can see, it's got the sissy bar there, the genuine Triumph one, and the Triumph King and Queen seat. Triumph knee pads. Really is in great condition, this bike, and these Triumph 900s are really sought after and have been for a number of years. So this is the second time we've had this bike. The first time we had it, we underwent significant recommissioning with it. It's had its fuel tank cleaned and had a corrosion protection applied. The carbs have been stripped and balanced. It's had new spark plugs, air filters, brake pads, fork seals, wheel bearings. It really has been recommissioned with no expense spared. We did a really good job on this one, if we do say so ourselves. All the paintwork on it is in really good order. There's a couple of little spots on some of the chrome on the engine, but that is to be expected on a bike, you know, of this age and mileage. The wheels are in great condition. We put a brand new pair of tyres on it just 957 miles ago. The exhausts are in great nick as well. A really nice bike, and great if you like going two up. It's got a bit more power than a Bonneville. It's a bit bigger than a Bonneville as well. Obviously the forerunner to that now classic motorcycle, the Bonneville. But these were 3-cylinder engines, not twins, and are a little bit better for it. Hopefully you can just pick out the top of the engine there with the chrome has just started to spot, and again on the side cases, but nothing to worry about, certainly nothing major. And the bike in general is in fantastic condition for year and mileage, and it's just a lovely looking thing. So these 3-cylinder 900s really do sound fantastic. So let's fire this one up and give it a listen. Awesome. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this Triumph Adventurer 900, then please do get in contact either via the telephone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.